Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. First of all, I want to thank you all for liking and commenting on my first ever video and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me and it inspires me to create more music. So today I'm gonna talk about the shoebox that I got from Lazada. And if you go to YouTube and search for SHOEMATE, there's already a ton of videos out there. I'll cut to the chase. I'm gonna share with you important information that could help you decide what size of shoebox to choose. So this is a 12 pieces of shoebox that I ordered. It was completely covered in bubble wrap on the outside, and as you can see on the inside it still has bubble wrap, so it's very secure and well packed. I initially ordered a medium but had it changed to a large, and you'll see why. At ayan na nga, hindi kasya ang mga sapatos ko sa box. As you can see, yung Converse na size 9, saktong-sakto na siya dun sa box. Yung katabing sapatos nun is a size 10. Nakapatong na yung sapatos dun sa flap ng pinto. And yung sa baba is nakalabas na talaga siya. So meron akong next picture dyan, which you can see na talagang di na siya kasya. So anyari? Well, I relied solely on SHOEMATE's recommendation, and knowing na size 9 to 10 lang ako, naging kampante ako na kasya talaga yung mga sapatos. Now, I'm not blaming SHOEMATE for what happened here. I'm sure they tested it out or thought about it before selling the product. And also, my shoes are a small sample size to have to consider anything. But what I am saying is, depending on the shoes that you have, some may not fit despite SHOEMATE's recommended size. Of course, I immediately messaged SHOEMATE if I could return the boxes. Fortunately, pumayag naman sila. Yun nga lang, kailangan ko dalhin sa warehouse nila sa Quezon City. But since I'm from Quezon City and sa Timog lang naman, madali naman siyang napalitan. Nagdagdag na lang ako ng additional payment dahil mas mahal yung large box kesa sa medium box. So here's a close-up nung size 10.5 sa baba. Lagpas na talaga siya dun sa box and masasara mo pa naman yung pinto, kaya lang pilit na and nakaumbok na yung shoes pagkatapos. Before I show you the easiest way to assemble the box, as a summary, if you're a size 9 and above, you're better off with a large shoebox. I've seen a lot of videos or comments saying that when you're having a difficult time assembling it, and I have to admit it takes quite a while to do so, especially if you bought a lot of boxes. So I think I figured out the best and easiest way of how to assemble this. So the first thing you need to do is bend this a little bit. Do the same to the other panel. And so that you can quickly form a box right on the back. And so it's already upward. It makes it a whole lot easier to assemble it. So after bending the box, all you have to do is snap them together. I find it easy to apply pressure here. There you go. And after doing it on the top, I switch to the bottom just to make it the box stable. There you go. The next thing you should do is put on the covers. So note that one of the covers have a foot stud. So you wanna make sure that when you put it on the box, that it's on the same side as the other one you're going to put on the other side. So just put on the cover. You know, it's tight and secure when you hear a snapping sound, when you hear a sound upon pushing it down. There you go. There. Be careful not to hit it with force, because when I did that, it broke the plastic that secures it from the inside. So you just want to slowly apply pressure onto it. So there. And just do the same for the other side. That's my studs. There you have it. That's a wrap. Thank you so much guys for watching. For my next video, I'm gonna do a review on an Adidas and New Balance shoe that I purchased. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to get updates.